buddy. What are you doing? Here, let me throw this for you. You want this? Pew. Hi, Marcus. Are you here to help? You here to help with the pills? What's in there? Well, why don't you go get him then? Marcus! Oh, he's gonna get you. Hi. Hi, did you bring it? Did you bring it back? It's over there, buddy. It's over there. You didn't bring it. I can't throw it for you. Thank you, Marcus. I know. Such smells. Could you hold this for me? Thank you. Want to smell this one? Oh, shit. That one? Yeah. Am I doing it right? Not sure. You want to smell this one? This one's the fish one. What smells? What smells? Pandoran, bring it all the way. I can't reach that. You okay? Did you not like that smell? Does it remind you of your old food? Why do I have two of these? Are you okay? You've been super jumpy today, bud.